Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but
You're hungry. You're thirsty. Okay, Miss Girl.
We're gonna talk like us.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm literally so hungry. I'm just a lazy fit. Sweats with shirt. That's what I mean. Go in the middle.
On the other side.
Oh. Let's go. It's a bit chilly. It was raining? Or is it the mist?
I thought you're coming.
You thought I wasn't coming? It's cause sorry.
I thought you were sleeping.
I mean, I technically was, but a little strawberry meal, oh baby. Damn, brother. Everything. You're hungry. You're thirsty. Oh, so brightness. again. My little milk. Bebé, oh, qué chulo. Mamá, pizza. I'm still pushing it. A what? Two pairs. Ya, estoy listo. But now I am.
See the camera? You know the vibes?
I thought you were somebody else. I thought you were somebody else.
That's like Donald Trump.
Oh my. This is a vibe. I love it.
We're like the red.
Like, does it look good? Does it look good?
Yeah, it suits you. I thought you'd have one of those.
I just don't want to get makeup on it if I don't get it. I think I like this one better.
wish you a Merry Christmas.
Wow.
Brother. So far, I made 2 purchases. Look at all. No, wait, Isaac. I'm literally sitting here. I'm so tired. This is literally choking me. Oh, I'm so hot. Ah, mirando los bichos se miran bonitos. Oh, sí, están bonitos.
Sí, están bien livianitos.
Oh, no, va a andar bien a gusto.
Ya, vente. Bien. ¿Dónde está?
You didn't get anything?
No, beauty.
Chilling. Bro, it's like 30 degrees out here.
We love ice cream.
Okay, now we're leaving. This don't talk about. Look at me, look at me. Oh, vamos. ¿Qué estás haciendo ya? For you, don't worry about it.
We're talking about me.
Brother, we're waiting to board. So many cars. Car, not even parked. Oh, hey, look at the Christmas tree. Look at Gap, that's my store.
Stop the gap.
Stop the Gap. I haven't been here in so long. Mamá, acá estás, mamá. What are you doing? Oh, una pelota. There's at least so many people. Oh yeah, clean ones. How come they don't put those down? Oh, sorry. Killing. I'm literally so hungry. I want like chips or something. Chips and a drink. I'm so hungry.
I want to go home.
Exit. Okay, Miss Girl. He dropped it now. Ow, I'm pulling my hair. Now we're in line with
back,
bro. Leave him alone.
Look, Christmas tree. We're gonna look like Christmas. More dogs.
So much shopping today. Pa, Isaac está bien dormido.
God, you acting.
Sounds like Mexico.
Sounds like Mexico. What the?
I forgot all those things are in here.
Dizzy in the head.
Damn.
Wait,
I'm on top of the world.
where are you recording?
Next stop, Walmart. And Isaac, all comfy. I wish that was me. Walmart's all the way over there.
I wanna go home. Long time.
Ya bebé, ya los guaguaos. Acá irá. ¡Paz! Oh, esto es para las galletas. Ajá. Ornaments. Mira estas. Ooh, I like the pink one. Little Santa. These are cute. These are white. Holiday shop. The Hello Kitty. Celine hasn't seen that, huh? Mira, ma. Oh, wow. Mira más las estrellas.
La mía.
Y de colores también. Ay, de bien altas. Look at all the freaking ornaments. Someone's calling me. Oh, ya me colgó. Nando. Ooh, what is this? Oh, sí, como los que tiene mamá Juana. Sling. Ay, sí están grandes. Son 25 más. Estas son azules, ¿no? Y estas son amarillas. Y estas blancas, ¿qué cosas? Ow. Chibis. These are 30 bucks. Look at that. And he said he's not asleep. Oh my gosh, my thing is falling. Anyway, we're home. We've been home. We literally ate some pozole. Gago's still here on the phone, not talking, chilling. Yeah, we did a lot of shopping. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I just did some shopping because I needed some pants. Where are they? I don't even know. Oh, I put them wash. I don't know why I didn't remember that. But tomorrow will be, of course, a new day, and hopefully I actually started a little bit better than right now. I still haven't posted like 2-3 videos that I need to post. I don't know. Say hi. What the? ¿Pero por qué estás usando gorra? ¿Estás adentro?
¿Qué está calando sol, no es?
Jolene, I miss you so much, Jolene. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys very quickly what I got because it's literally not a lot of things. So you guys already seen me wear these. Got these with this. It was 2 for $10. And it's also really cute. I think I showed you guys. It looks weird now that my hair is like put together, but tomorrow I have a party. I don't know if I should wear these or this. I feel like this, if I take it off, my hair is gonna be like flat. Oh, and then from Walmart, I got these, which I think I might wear tomorrow. Should I wear them tonight to get the Vlogmas mood going? It was so cold. And of course we also got this from American Eagle. They give like these reusable bags. Snoopy, there was cute ass pajama sets. They were kind of expensive. I didn't have that much money to be buying them. Better look next time. But anyway guys, I'm gonna start to edit a video and literally post all content of the month of November. Yeah, let's see how that goes because it's so I'm not sleeping tonight, but I need it for you guys. I'm so excited. Of course, it is Vlogmas Day 2, but I'm still gonna be filming for tomorrow because technically I wanted to give myself today and tomorrow to vlog, and you know, just bear with me. Just know that I'm trying my best, and I just hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Subscribe, girl. You will make me the happiest. I'm so excited, like you have no idea. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, I touched up my hair. It is so cold, but I'm gonna do my makeup right now because it is so late now. If y'all know the time, y'all will laugh at me. 1:48. The thing is at 4 and we might leave at 4:30 depending on when my mother-in-law picks me up. But we're cutting it real close, real close. My room is such a mess. I have to clean it, pick it up, and all that. I don't know, and then I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Like I have an idea. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna try to finish a little bit early so that I can finish up the video for today. Today, that is literally November 30th. I was gonna say 3rd. You guys are gonna see this. This is literally what I've been working on last night. And I also got up really late today for that reason. My eye bags are so baggy. I was thinking of wearing this. I don't know. I'm gonna see which one I look better in. And of course I'll be wearing the jeans that I got yesterday. I think I'm gonna sit down. Okay. I feel like you guys always see me get ready, right? This foundation, concealer, pot concealer, one size. Oh yeah, bronzer, blush, and this of course will swatch brushes and the brushes that I need. Not all of them, but most of the ones in here. Anyway guys, I am so stressed already because Vlogmas is already starting tomorrow and I still need to edit that because I've been editing today's video. It's fine, it's fine. Just vote. I know I'm out thinking this, but why am I thinking so bold? I don't got that in me. I feel like this one's perfect, pretty much, right? Watch it like this. The camera stopped recording. I don't have lashes. If I had lashes, oh, it would completely look. I was done with it. I'm gonna ask for that for my Christmas. See what I'm going to wear. Oh, I can't see because there's a square on my face. I hate the spritz in this one. Like you have to really, but I feel like this really like locks it in. Okay you guys, I already took my pictures or whatever. I don't know if I should wear these. I think they're really cute, or should I just do nothing at all? I really like this one. I just tried this one on and that's it. I can try that one on right now and see if I like it better. Okay, so I kind of fixed it up a little. It kind of makes me look like an old grandma. I don't know how I feel about it because even like this it would look weird. I don't know. I could do like a one shoulder bite, but it literally looks like someone just pulled me. Eh, you know what? Who cares? I'm just gonna wear it. Who cares if I look like a fucking old lady? Ya casi.
Se avisaron de los tenis las dos, mira.
I'm sorry. Oh, gracias. The donuts. Plato lleno. This is so good. Everything was so good. Ya está haciendo frío. La canción.
Grande.
Yo también.
Bien bonita, ¿sí?
¡Wow! ¡Oh, ese de perrito! Ah, de veras. ¿Te acuerdas? ¡Ay, no la pisó! ¡Pisó la cara! ¡Oh, no!
Ya vamos a hacer esto de los regalitos. Mira, ¿quién es?
¡Cholino! No vas a creer lo que pasó ahorita. Con mi cámara y yo no estaba fijando dónde estaba pisando. Y que pisó la cagada de Toby. Y ya después me hice para atrás y que otra vez piso otra. Y el Lupita ya nos íbamos a vomitar.
Es que olía.
So my sister actually bought me the new foundation. I've been wanting to try the L'Oreal one. I also want to try the concealer. I heard it's really good. I'm already in my PJs. My room is so messy. I need to clean it tomorrow. And also I have the like a little clip that I put right there. I don't know where I left it. So now I'm gonna be exposed. Oh no. And I'm trying to finish the video for today. Literally, it's 9:48. And then tomorrow is the day that, the day that you guys are probably going to be seeing. Oh no, wait, no. You guys are seeing this Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so excited. Literally, I give them that little elephant from the cheese, baby, cheese. And I'm trying to edit tomorrow's video, which is already technically today because it's already the 1st. Hola. Hola.
Oh, the weather outside is